Investors today have the notion that if the country is growing at a good rate, then the markets will perform and therefore they will create wealth. But the reality is quite different. Take China for example. Although the growth rate has been at 12% per annum, the markets have not been growing at the same rate. Even globally, only 4% of the listed stocks have been able to sustain and beat the basic risk-free rate. Rest all other companies have either got delisted or merged with other companies or underperformed the risk-free rate. And India is no different. Over the last 20 years, only 14% of Indian companies could give over 25% returns or show superior profitable growth. This clearly means that growth at a macro level does not translate into performance of the equity market. Studies have shown that investor returns have been less than investment returns because of irrational investor behavior in different market scenarios. So, how does one become more responsible when it comes to their mutual fund investments? Firstly, they should look for a responsible money manager who does a robust study of the market and picks quality stocks while also managing various risks associated. Secondly, investors should look for a responsible financial advisor who helps them maneuver through the nuances of investing. And lastly, the investor should stop following the market trends and stay rational by focusing on long-term investment goals. Together, these parameters will help you be more responsible towards your investments. Presenting Axis Mutual Fund, the responsible mutual fund, where we are not just money managers but also risk managers, where we don't just aim for superior returns but also lesser falls by way of better risk management. Our expert fund managers choose the companies basis the quality of their portfolio and not merely by their size. And our comprehensive risk management philosophy and process helps us maneuver investors through the market volatilities, thereby providing risk-adjusted returns to fulfill your various life goals. So be a responsible investor and get the most out of your mutual fund investments. Because markets don't create wealth, responsible investing does. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Please read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.